Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a monthly student attendance form. For preparing this report, I have used a very basic simple concepts of Excel like conditional formatting and some built-in functions like Countif, some Vlookup and conditional formatting using color skills. Basically, if you know about formatting in Excel, it will be very easy to follow this report. Otherwise, also, no worries, I will show you each and every step that is involved in preparing this monthly student attendance form along with early summary. See, this is your early summary, right? First, let me walk through the monthly attendance sheet. Here, the month field is the key field. When you change the month here, the number of days in each month will be changed here, and respectively, the days as well will get changed. See, for example, I am giving February month. February month is having 28 days, right? So, right. So, it will update till 28 and then the next month is getting started. Similarly, the days of the week as well will get updated. So, with this, we'll know what days are weekends and accordingly, we can mark those days as holidays. And you have to provide the roll number, name, and gender. So, once this is updated, depending upon the gender, number of boys and girls that will be calculated automatically using formulas. So now 4 boys and 4 girls, and as well the student wise total and class wise total. For both, the formulas are already created. So whenever you change the number of present and absent on any day, the respective formula will be updated. See, for example, for Charan, I am adding one more day as absent day, right? Yeah. Notice that the number of days, the total number of present days for that student is decreased by one, and as well when you type a, the color, the color of the cell is changed to red. So this is done using conditional formatting. And for the yearly summarized report, so each month number of present days for each student will be referred from individual monthly sheet, and the total number of present days will be calculated, so that is using some formula, and total absent is based on the total working days, because this field is user provided field. We have to give the total number of working days. So every month when the working days is getting added, you can change here. Accordingly, the absent days will be calculated and the attendance percentage. So what is the attendance percentage for each student? And this particular column, I have applied color scales here, so that between minimum and maximum range, the coloring grading will be done. So this is your complete student attendance form. Let's see now how to prepare for August month. So for a monthly students form, we need the roll number to be captured, the, then name of the student, and then the gender, the basic things. Okay. Then from here on, the dates of each month. So my method is to use formula, right? So this month is August. I'm giving the date. Okay. And from here, I have to take the first day of this month, that is August, equal to A2 formula. And next one, I have to increment my days one by one. So equal to, that is my previous day, which is 1st August, and then plus 1, 2nd August. Okay. Then copy the same formula to 31 fields. That is constant, right? Okay. So just drag and see. Okay, it is still 27. Then I'll copy for 3 more days. Okay. We can realign the column width, not a problem. Okay. So this is now ready. Fine. So now you have to apply the custom format for dates, so that it will show only the date, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. So for that, just select that particular field, go here on the formatting part, select more. More is the custom format, right? To select a custom format, go to more, and you will see all the formats that you can apply for a date. In our case, we need only the date, not month, year. So just select D. In your case, if this format is not already there, then you can type D here and click OK, then this particular format will be saved. Since I have created already, this is getting displayed. Okay, select D and the format is applied. Now you are getting only the date. So the same format copy and apply the same for all fields. So now it is fine. So you can resize the column accordingly. Okay, let's do that later. And now let's go to the day. That is, what is the day for this particular date? What is the day of August 1st? Right. For that also, I'm going to use custom format only. Let me first apply the date here. Okay, equal to D3 here also, and then next one will also be the same, like equal to E3. So copy this formula and paste it here. Okay, right. So you got date here, and this date you have to change to days. So that how you will do. Go to the formatting, custom, more formats, and this is the day. So you have 3 word days, like for Sunday SUN, right? For that, in that format I want to store. So I'm selecting this. If this is, again, if this is not there, just type here and click OK, it will be saved. Okay, so it is Sunday, 1st August. Let me see, 1st August of 20. Yeah, it is Sunday, it is correct. Fine. Then apply the same format using format painter. Apply the same format everywhere for all the fields, right? Both our columns are ready. Okay, so now to resize all to in, because you want to fit everything in a single page, right? Like this. So like this you can see everything in single page. So to do that, just select all the columns and drag to the width that you want. So all columns will be auto adjusted. You can change slightly increase or decrease according to your convenient. Okay, so now let me freeze this. Okay, so this is now ready, and the basic thing. Now we have to provide information for roll number, name, and you can copy paste. If there is a change also, you can add or remove. That is not a problem. And next, the important thing, that is the conditional formatting. Select the range on which you have to apply the condition formatting, right? So in this range, for all the students and for all the dates, I want the color coding of cells depending upon what I am typing. So based on what is P or A, depending upon that, the color coding has to be changed. So for that, select that range, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. So everything will be in home tab only. See, in home tab, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules equal to. So if my cell is equal to P, that is present, give the format like this. So I am selecting the format which is already there. So green fill with dark green text, and if you want a different color, you can go to custom format and select. So right now I'll fill this. Okay, so this format is applied, and similarly for absent, right? I'll do that as well. We can test both later. Equal to, and when it is equal to A, yeah, I'll leave with this light red fill with dark. Okay, and now you can type P anywhere and do the testing. Yes, this is getting applied. A, yeah, if you type A, it will, the color will be provided automatically. Fine, now let's do the total for each student. So student total for present and absent. For present, you are going to use a formula like number of p's you are going to count. Okay, so for that use countif, the range for the first student, all the days, from 1 to 31, right? Select the range. And what is your criteria? Criteria is if it is p, then count, right? That is your number of present days. Okay, click enter. Okay, there is some formula auto correction. Yeah, so here I missed the double quotes, right? Always provide that. Okay, if it is not this is auto corrected, but if just always ensure you give the value within double quotes, right? And to test this formula for chair, and I don't have any days fills, let me put some days as present. Okay, 1 day present, number of present days, see, it is getting updated. And now let's do the absent formula again. Countif, range, select the same range. Here providing range is actually the key thing, otherwise your formula will throw error if you are not giving it correctly. Okay, just ensure and see the range whatever you are providing is also highlighted, so by that you can see whether you have selected the correct range or not. And then your criteria is a absent. It will take both a small and a caps a, so not an issue. Okay, enter. So now there is no absent days for chair and right, so let's make something as absent 1 day. See, this is done. So once you have done this formula for one student, just drag this for all the students. The formula will be auto updated. Similarly here for other students. Okay, number of present and absent for a student is done. This is like student total. Now let's do the class total. Okay, so for class total, this is class total for any day. Okay, present and absent. Again here same formula. I'll do the same formula, equal to count if range in the total number of students that you have selected, and criteria is present p, right? So copy that, give till 31, and for absent same thing, count if range, select the range. Okay, select the range, and then criteria is a. Okay, so copy this and put it everywhere. So copy, I'm using Control C and Control V. Let's do some checking here. See, if on Tuesday, 3rd of August, there is only one present, it is 1. And here there is only one absent, number of absent is 1. And similarly here, now we have to do proper formatting of all cells so that it looks like a full-fledged report like this, right? Let's do all those beautification now. All right, so let me first put the bordering. Okay, till here first. Okay, yeah, this is also needed. Okay, all sides. Mm. And wherever merging, so if whenever you do the merging properly, it will look good. See here the student total you can merge for present and absent, so just select this, you merge and center. Okay, this is done, perfect. And here also class total you can merge, center, just see here you can provide all the alignments, give center, and it is at the center. And let's merge these two cells, present, absent. Okay, you can change number of presentees, number of absentees, whichever that you want. Okay, Okay, then these fields we can, to differentiate, we can bold that all the header type. Control B, I'm using Control B, or you can select and click this B. It will be bold. Okay, yeah, and this as well. All right, so now some coloring. Let me see what color I have provided here. Okay, mm. So for this, let's reduce the font to 10. Okay, and this as well if you want, otherwise we can leave this. Okay, select a fill here. I think I have selected this only. Okay, and this is gray. See, this you can prepare in the way that you want. And for this, some fill blue. Yeah, this one here also same, right? And here it is gray. Okay, let's do that. Okay, fine. Just I will insert one more row. Copy all here. Control X, Control V. Okay, this I'm merging because it will give you the clear visibility. Wrap text. Just notice here I'm just giving wrap text so that you can see the complete text. So again merging. Okay, this as well merging. All right. This is done. I'll give the bordering to here, and this is again gray. Okay, fine, it's almost ready. Now our month column, mm, merge, and now I am changing the format here, custom format. So I want month and year, right? Custom month and year. Okay, fill. I think I have given this color, and the size I'm increasing. Bold. Okay, we can reduce a bit, I think. Yeah, so this is perfect now. Then the name you have to adjust according to the size, because the name will be a long field, right? Now your academic year. Okay, academic year, bold. It is 20, 21, 22. Again bold, center, and this is also center here. Okay, what color? Yeah, fine. The fill is orange, and your font color, it is white. Yeah, this is done. And for class, I think I have merged all these three together. Okay, these three cells. Okay, gender also you can reduce a bit. So 10 minutes it will fit, I think. Yeah, so these three. So this you are merging and combining cells so that it looks good. So what are all the details needed? You need class division, boys and girls, right? So that you are equally you are segregating at the top so that it looks good. That is what we are doing here. Just merge it, your class, and for division I'm merging these two cells. And sorry, class, what is the class for that? This is actually for division. Okay, division. Again merge these two cells, and similarly I think, yeah, these three only from here only I started. Yeah, so this is your girls count, this is for boys. So girls, and what is the count for that? I'm merging here. Similarly merge boys. Okay, here I will apply the formula. Please hold on. So for all these merged cells, I'm using same fill. go here and select the fill. Okay, blue. And again select all, like control and select all. You can increase the font as well, 14, and the color white, and bold, center. Perfect. So what is my, this is you have to give manually. 5D for example, center, again this same thing. Okay, for both, I'm control, select the cells, bold, and the font, yeah, change the font, increase the size. Perfect. Now for boys, yeah, here I'm using the formula. Suppose if you don't want to complicate, you can directly key in. For my purpose, I have provided some automation here. So this is my range. In this range, if the gender is M, then count it as number of boys. Okay, yeah, so it should be 4. Yes, correct. And for boys, girls as well, sorry, Countif range, uh, I didn't complete the formula. Go to the formula bar and then you can change. Gender is F. All right, this is also fine. Now let's do some beautification. Okay, coloring, and then control for selecting multiple cells. Okay. Right, this is also done. So let's apply the bordering here. Okay, so this one now I want to merge, merge for the student attendance form for typing. So monthly student attendance form. Okay, again bold, size 14, center, fine. So any light color we can give here. I think it looks better. That's all. Okay, here I didn't center it for 4. Yeah, now it looks perfect, I think. So you can align in the way that you want for name, gender, and even for days. If it is very small, then you can increase the font. It's all up to our requirement. And finally, the number, I mean, the holidays, right? In this report, I assume weekends as holiday, and for that, I will merge and keep it as holiday. And if you have any other national holidays or some other holidays, similarly, you can mark those days as holidays so that it is clearly visible when you check the report. Okay, first it is Sunday, so again, this is some beautification only. I'm merging the day and keeping as weekend holiday. Okay. So similarly, and for this we have to change the format, right? Right. Alignment. See this alignment you want vertically, right? So change the degrees. 90. Okay. Perfect. Give it to center and bold. Okay, again here you can select any color that you want. All right, that's all. So holidays marking is done, and now you can put all the days as present. If you keep all the days as present, what is happening? Just notice like your formulas are getting updated automatically, right? So 20 working days and all students are present on all days. So it is 20. Student wise total is 20. And similarly, 8 students in the class, and every day 8 students are present, and there is no absentees at all. It's a perfect class and perfect student attendance form is ready. And next, I'll show you how to refer this in the yearly report, create formulas for that, and arrive at this attendance percentage. Coming to early summary, the first thing that you have to do is give the roll number, name, and gender of all students. Okay, for that year. So whenever you are starting an year, just give these three details, and then from here on, from June, July, August, etc., you have to get the summarized number of days that each student is present on that month. So that I am getting using VLOOKUP formula equal to. I'll just do that one. VLOOKUP. Lookup value is Charan, and then what is the table area? It's like what is the total table in which you are looking up this particular roll number. So that is from August month. Select the complete table that you are referring. So this is your range, right? Range of the table in which you want to get the data. See, you want to get the total days, right? So for Charan, for roll number 1, I want 20. So you have to count one by one till here. What is the number? You have to start with one. This will be 35. So 35th column, that is what you want as a result. Okay, enter. Yeah. So now for Cheren, you got the result. Similarly, for others, it is the same, but this tabular array is fixed. So that is fixed, right? If you drag, it will auto increment. So for that, just put dollar so that that array is not going to be changed. Okay, that's it. Enter and then drag. All right, see, for August we know, like, it is, every for every student we marked as present, and hence it is 20 days for all student. So that we got here. That's it, perfect. And for calculating the attendance percentage, see, this is wrong here because your total working days is not updated. So this field I have provided as, you have to update each and every month. That is how I have created this report. So 44 plus the total number of working days is 20. All right. So I think I missed here, right? 30, 31. So that also we will update here. We have 22 total working days. Okay. So that you have to add here. So 44 plus 22, 66. You are going to get this value based on number of total working days and total number of days that each student is present. So it is 66 minus 63, 3. So attendance percentage is your ratio, right? So 66 by, sorry, 63 by 66. That is what I have provided as a formula here. So Q8 is 63, 63 by 66. And the formatting, right? The formatting of this field, you select it as a percentage, like I'm showing here, so that you'll get the percentage value of all students. And here, one more thing to notice is you have the color grading, right? So that is based on color scales. Again, this is done using conditional formatting. Okay, go to home, conditional formatting, and then go to color scales, right? So here I have selected the first one, like green, um, yellow, red. So red will be for the least value and green will be for the top value. So here 100 is the top value, right? Highest value. So for that it will provide green, and the least value is 88. So for that it is red, deep red color. And between this range, so it will give scales like light green and then amber, light amber, and then slowly to red. So that is how you can differentiate the range. Almost, your yearly attendance report is ready with data from monthly attendance report. You have to keep on, like, next month when you are adding, what you have to do is give a new sheet here. So September, suppose if you are adding, copy paste everything, like whatever is there in this sheet, copy paste. The only thing here is the weekend holidays will change, and those merged and unmerged cells you have to take care. So that is what you have to do. So here, go to, after you copy paste, if you want to retain the source column width, right? So control, after you put control C and control V, under control you can see this option, keep source column width. Just give that and it will come to the original state, right? So then September month, that is what you have to give. Okay, for September month, so these details got updated, but the thing is the weekend holidays you have to change. So clear everything here, and that's it. So from here on you can give the values whatever it is, like whether it is present or absent, and your formulas will get updated. Okay, yeah. So that's how you can easily create a monthly report. Once you are ready with 1 month, next month onwards, this is how you have to do. Simple. Change only the holidays part. There is one more thing that you can do. Instead of summing up the total working days every month, you can also do this way. See, for each month, what is the total number of working days? That if you register here, then we can add formula, and then your attendance percentage will be calculated. So here 20, 22, 22, and this total working days will be sum of this complete. Till here select the range, so that whenever you add later, working days will be updated automatically. So from here on, whenever you add a new sheet for new month, you just have to give the total number of working days for each month here, and the total working days of year will be updated, and based on this your attendance percentage for each student will be done. All right, so that's it. We have come to the end of this session. I hope you found this video useful to you, and you should be able to create a similar report all by yourselves, right? So thank you for watching, and please do let me know if you have any comments.